Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and I'm going to do a quick little video that's just going to show you how to rearrange the Apple Carplay system. Now, if like me you find that some of the apps that you tend to use more regularly are not on the front page, this is quite a cool way of rearranging them and doesn't take too long to do. So hopefully one of you out there might find it useful. Thanks a lot. Let's get to it. So this is how the standard setup is, and in my case I've got Google Maps on the second page and things like Spotify and WhatsApp on the third. So it's not ideal. So if I go into my phone, go into the General Settings tab, and then if I scroll down to where it says CarPlay, there we go, the green one there. If I select that one and then find the device that's actually connected, so in my case it's the bottom one, and then it brings up the menu that says apps and widgets. So if I tap on the apps button, it then has all of the apps displayed as per the CarPlay display. So in my case there's a couple here that I no longer need, so if I push and then hit the delete button, you can see that it allows me to remove it. Now alternatively, what I can do is if I want to move one, BBC Sounds push and hold it and then just slide it nearer the top, and it then puts it higher up the listing. So what I can do in this case, I don't want Google Maps on the second page, I'd rather have Google Maps on the first, so I can bring it closer to the phone part. And I'm going to carry on, do the same with Spotify, so tap, hold it, and then it will slide up to the top. And then I'm going to do WhatsApp now while I'm doing it here. So I'm going to adjust WhatsApp, slide it up, and then you'll see WhatsApp will appear. There we go. So that's in real time connection. So what I'm going to do now, just to make sure that it's saved, is turn the engine off, turn the engine back on again, and there you go. I thought that was quite clever, really useful as well. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.